Hello everyone. Several leaders achieved great status national-wide and international-wide in politics or in their profession outside the country or in the states. Today, we are going to know some details of such person, the one and only who is called as the father of India's water management and agriculture, Dr. Kanuri Lakshmana Rao, popularly known as Dr. K.L. Rao. Determination, zeal to learn, visionary mindset, readiness to serve the motherland are some of the important traits to Dr. Kanuri Lakshmana Rao. Let's dive into some important information about Dr. K.L. Rao. Firstly, the basic information about his nativity, studies, etc. Dr. Kanuri Lakshmana Rao was born on 15th July 1902. He was born into a middle class Soviet family in Kankipadu near Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. When he was very young, he lost his father. He also lost his vision in one eye due to an injury he sustained while playing at school. However, he did not let these setbacks to lose confidence and deter him from being recognized as a brilliant student and achieve great heights in public life. We have to observe and need to get inspired from him. He is very good at studies and achieved many degrees. Let me tell you the education details now. He started his primary education at Mathali Venkatappaya Garu. He completed his 10th standard in Vijayawada. He did his intermediate education in Presidency College, Madras. He also took BE degree from Madras University. To the surprise, he was the first student to attain the master's degree in engineering from Guindy Engineering College, and people mocked him, here is another Newton. He also attained PhD from the University of Birmingham, United Kingdom. He holds many degrees but never stood on cloud nine with aggressiveness. He is such a down-to-earth person. He is a great man with supervision. He is the architect of many dams in India. He worked as professor in Rangoon, Burma. After completing his PhD, he worked as assistant professor in UK. After returning to India, he worked as design engineer for Madras government. Later, he also held the post of director in Vidyut Commission, New Delhi. He has many feathers in his cap. Of those many, let me brief some of the important works accomplished by our beloved Dr. K.L. Rao. He designed many projects like Hirakud, Farakka, Srisailam, etc. World's longest earth dam, Masandri Dam. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on Krishna district in AP is a feather in his cap. In addition, he constructed this dam with masonry, which is made up of stone and brick instead of concrete, because there was an abundant availability of stone, and this method provided employment to unskilled laborers. In addition to these great works, the thermal power station built at Vijayawada was his one of the greatest achievements. He had been president of Central Board of Irrigation and Power. He also served as vice president of International Society for Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering in 1961 to 65. Dr. K.L. Rao was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1963 for his contribution in irrigation and the power. He received doctorates by Andhra University and Roorkee University in 1960 and 68 respectively. The Andhra Pradesh government has named an irrigation project at Pulichintala after him as K.L. Rao Sagar project. He is also involved in politics because he always believed that life is largely conditioned by engineering, the engineer's participation, with his habit of accurate thinking and precise analysis, will be highly beneficial. He was elected as a member of parliament 3 times from Vijayawada constituency in 1961, 66 and 72. In his political campaign, he focused on projects and developments for the improvement of the country rather than money in politics. He wanted politics to be free of corruption. In 20th July 1963, he was sworn in as a minister for irrigation and electricity in Union government. He also played an important role in accelerating electrification of rural villages of India. During his tenure, he also established Rural Electrification Corporation. He had worked as minister in Nehru's, Lal Bahadur Shastri's and Indira Gandhi's cabinet. Dr. Achamamba and Dr. Kaleshwar Rao helped him a lot to win the elections against N. Prasad Rao from Communist Party. Finally, we now become familiar with Dr. K.L. Rao biography. I will complete this by adding few more interesting facts. Dr. Konuri Lakshmana Rao was called as Khadi engineer due to his outfit. There is little wonder Dr. Konuri Lakshmana Rao is known as father of India's water management and agriculture. He was called the Cusack's candidate for he would almost always say in his speeches that we are using so much of water and have to go a long way. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.